Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you will be fine. SSD class 2 second lecture. In the first lecture we read about the blessings of Almighty Allah. Now we will do some written work. Please open your binder, write date and day on the top of the page. Unit number 1, chapter number 1, topic blessings of Allah. Allah Ta'ala की नेमते. Explanation of terms. First term is energy. ENERGY, energy, a source of power. SOURCE, source of power. POWER, power. Energy, a source of power. BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. खूबसूरत, good looking, खूबसूरत. Now we will do words meaning. First word is light, LIGHT, light. रोशनी, light, रोशनी. Look at the picture. Light, रोशनी, सूरज की रोशनी. Created, पैदा किया. CREATED, created, पैदा किया. एनर्जी, तवानाई. ENERGY, एनर्जी, एनर्जी, तवानाई. These all are sources of energy. यूनिवर्स, कायनात. UNIVERSE, यूनिवर्स, कायनात. द होल वर्ल्ड. सर्वाइव, जिंदा रहना. सर्वाइव, SURVIVE, सर्वाइव, जिंदा रहना. Okay students, this was your today lesson. You will learn these word meaning and explanation of term and write it in your binder. Okay,